It is so windy today. Had some free time on a wonderful Halloween morning. When I was here in January, I took a guess that they grow corn here, and I was actually right. Not that was much of a guess, corn is grown all over Maryland. I've also seen soybeans and tomatillos. This is the Stone Barn Loop, and the field is still empty. This field's also really empty, but I'm seeing a lot of soybeans and corn all over the ground, so that mystery's solved. That's a great fall view.